BPCL is the second largest oil marketing company in India and have a representation in all markets across the country. We have around 18,000 retail outlets and we have more than 6,500 distributorship, feeding the LPG customers of 8.5 crore families. And then we have presence in lube segment, and that is industrial fuels and then aviation. And we have many refineries with us. We have rural customers, we have urban customers, we have B2B customers, we have B2C customers and aviation customers, and the latest entrance of PNG and CNG. Even though we have a huge customer base, a unified view is now absent. That brings a lot of complexity. When there is a complexity of this kind, we need a technology to understand the customer deeply. That is the reason, as a company, we thought we will move into digital area.
Over periods of time, we have built applications and systems across all our business units to serve some business purpose, to do the business in an efficient manner. However, there have been limitations of these systems because they were either custom coded or they were built only for a specific purpose. And that is why precisely Project Anubhav was instituted in BPCL to make sure that we get a unified view of our customer and also offer him an experience which is unified across all our touch points. Salesforce understands the way we do business, and that's why we have chosen the CRM solution from Salesforce. We are calling it as Sales Buddy. And in true sense, this is going to be a buddy to our field force. The field-specific features which are offered in the CRM solution, like planogram, lead and opportunity management, the way we interact and record our conversations only brings in more efficiency in the way we deal with our customers and the way we handle our business. It's not just the sales, but even the service part which we have taken up in our CRM solution, and eventually offer an unimaginable service and experience to our customers. It impacts our partner ecosystem equally well. The kind of insights which would be available to the field for having meaningful conversations with the channel and their ability to record and resolve their concerns timely would bring in much more confidence of our channel partners in BPCL.
We can listen to the customer, we can understand the customer, and ultimately we are aiming to listen to the heartbeat of the customer. That was the main purpose of moving into digital and serve them with a superior quality of service through continuous innovation.